Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prayash Fashions and today I'll be going to show you all exclusive prints, hand painting and kalamkari also on pure tussar. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the like button. So whenever we upload the videos, you will get a sari number 1. So this is a hand painting as you can see. So this is a pallu of the sari and this is a wax sprinkled all over. So this is the design. So this is the one kind of design. And the base color as you can see is a deep navy blue. It's a deep navy blue. So this is the all over look of the sari and this is the pallu. It's a very pretty and the color combination, the design is awesome. Just see the design, it's a hand painting. So this is the pallu. So very pretty. And the blouse piece is contrast. So this is the BP comes with the sari. As you can see, the pallu and blouse will be contrast and this design will come to the skirt. Just see the design, just see the color shading. So this will come to the skirt and this is a pure Chhattisgarh Desi tussar. So this will come to the skirt. I'll just show how it will look when you drape the sari. So these are all pure silk tussar. So these are all pure tussar silk and silk mark certified. So this will come to the skirt. So this is the all over look. Just see the design. And BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. This is the same sari which is in different combination. So this time with the bottle green, the base color, and this is the combination as you can see. So this is the painting which comes to a skirt. The same design. Just show. So all over this is the base color and the pallu blouse all will be same color. So this is the look. It's a hand painting and blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. The base color is a jet black and this is the combination which will come to the skirt. As you can see the color combination. So it's a red, orange and rani. This is the shading and with a white floral design. This is the all over look of the sari. Just see the pallu. So this is the all over look of the sari. I'll just show you the design. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the kalamkari print and the pattern of the sari is like that. So pallu, shoulder and pleats will be printed. So this is the concept of the sari. I'll just show you the detailing of this print. So this is a combination of black, frozen green and the temple border. Just see the pallu of the sari. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the look of the sari. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is the BP. Base color is a olive green and just see the block print. So it's a hand block discharge print. As you can see the color combination, it's a red frozen and a white outline. So this is the pallu of the sari as you can see. So this is the pallu and skirt. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just have a look. So this is pallu and the blouse is all over printed. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. It's all over printed blouse. This color is a midnight blue and the design is as you can see it's a Madhubani print. It's a print, not hand. So it's a fish motif design on the pallu and the border. So this is the circle design as you can see and it's a fish motif which will come to the skirt. So this is the all over like this. And the blouse piece is a black. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the same design. The base color is only changed. It's a sea green and just see the pallu. So this is the pallu of the sari and the same pattern. So this is the design. Just have a look. show you the pallu details. So this is the design and this is the upper border. So this is a fish design. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is a combination of deep green and parrot green. So the base color is a parrot green and this is a pallu border and blouse will be deep green. So this is the pallu border and this is the design. As you can see, deep green and the rani and yellow we have used. So this is the all over look of the sari. So this is the all over look. Just see the design. It's a hand block print. So this is the all over look and the blouse is full printed. So this is the BP. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the combination of peach. As you can see, the pallu border and blouse will be a light deep and the base color is a very light pastel shade peach color. So this is the all over look and just see the design. So this is the design which comes all over the sari. And the pallu is there. So this is the all over look of the sari and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is a combination of lemon green. So the base color is a lemon green and deep green. The same sari which is hanging behind. So this is all over same floral. Just see the detailing of this print. So it's a black outline with a deep green and the rani leaf there. So this is all over look. Just have a look. Palla and the blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is a hand painting. As you can see the pallu. So this is a pallu and it's a totally hand painting. As you can see the border, it's totally done by hand and this is the all over. Just have a look. So this is the all over and the border is the natural color. So this is the all over look of the sari. And the blouse is contrast. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is a combination of a black and grey. So as you can see the shaded all over the body, it's a grey and black and white is also there. So this is the effect of black and grey and white is there, which comes to the pallu. This is all over like this. And on the edge of the pallu, that red border will come. Just see the figure motif. And we have a contrast blouse. So this has got the contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please share the live, share the video as much as you can so we can reach out more people. And the COD facility is available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much and keep share the video.